Is it time to buy or sell Taiwan Semiconductor stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Taiwan Semiconductor. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 7th of April, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 1st of April in the year 2025, our system has identified Taiwan Semiconductor as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -6.39. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of 13.32%. This equates to an average daily loss of 2.66% since it was flagged as a strong sell candidate. This stock currently rests at the lower end of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which often presents a notable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $144.69 is breached, it will initially signal a stronger rate of decline. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 24.99% over the coming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from a decline of 25.75% to a decrease of 10.16%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of 27.12%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance over the next year could vary from 27.12% to 104.23%. In current terms, this would position the future price between $185.81 and $298.52. Our latest daily update for Taiwan Semiconductor includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Taiwan Semiconductor Stock Price on Monday, moving between $134.25 and $153.74. The Taiwan Semiconductor stock price fell by 0.429% on the last day, which was Monday, the 7th of April 2025, from $146.80 to $146.17. It has now fallen for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 14.52%, ranging from a day low of $134.25 to a day high of $153.74. The price has declined in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 19.31% for this period. Volume increased on the last day by 7 million shares, but this occurred alongside falling prices. This trend may serve as an early warning, indicating a slightly increased risk over the next couple of days. In total, 42 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $6.1 billion over the past 52 weeks. The highest price of the stock was $226.40, while the lowest price was $125.78. Currently, the price is 35.44% or $80.23, below the 52-week high of $226.40, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC, closed at 146.16 on April 7th, showing a slight decline of 0.44% amid broader market struggles. Market concerns have been amplified by recent tariffs announced by President Trump, impacting various sectors, particularly semiconductors. TSMC, however, remains largely unaffected by these tariffs, a development that could be bullish for its future growth. Despite a turbulent start to 2025, where TSMC's stock has fallen significantly from its 52-week high, the semiconductor giant is poised for growth in the coming years. TSMC dominates the advanced artificial intelligence chip production market, accounting for over 90% of this segment. Rising infrastructure spending is projected to increase from $230 billion this year to over $300 billion in 2025. This increase directly benefits TSMC, presenting a strong long-term growth potential. The company's innovations, including its CoWoS packaging technology aimed at enhancing artificial intelligence chip efficiency, are expected to fortify its market leadership and generate high-margin revenues. In the short term, TSMC's stock may experience volatility due to tariff uncertainties and broader economic concerns. However, long-term prospects remain robust, as the demand for semiconductors, particularly in artificial intelligence, continues to grow, setting the stage for a possible recovery and resurgence in the stock price as market conditions stabilize. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned TSM an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, it was reported that Susquehanna rated TSM as a buy with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Needham gave TSM an underperform rating, also with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 17th of October, 2024, Needham rated TSM as a buy with a hold recommendation. Earlier, on Friday, the 19th of July, 2024, Needham again rated TSM as a buy, providing a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Taiwan Semiconductor stock. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral, while evaluating the price-to-book ratio as buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have awarded the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Taiwan Semiconductor. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock of Taiwan Semiconductor presents sell signals based on both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is an overall sell signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average exceeds the short-term average. During any upward corrections, there will be resistance at $160.09 and $177.02. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 6, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 30.56%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which could serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal, which occurred 42 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from just 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 10 days ago. The long-term moving average also shows a sell signal from 39 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 39 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 10 days ago. The long-term moving average has a sell signal from 32 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 26 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Taiwan Semiconductor. There's no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and under the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the coming days. This stock experiences average daily movements, and, with sufficient trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $19.49 between its high and low, reflecting a change of 14.52%. In the past week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 5.49%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate low expectations for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, which could present a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 17th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $2.02. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Taiwan Semiconductor is at $146.80. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, indicating that the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Taiwan Semiconductor stock a good buy? Taiwan Semiconductor exhibits several negative signals and is currently within a broad and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate it will continue to perform poorly over the next few days or weeks. As a result, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical indicators, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a sell to a strong sell candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and price movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is inflated. For trading on Tuesday, the 8th of April, we expect Taiwan Semiconductor to open lower by $1.45, starting at $144.72. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to purchasing or selling securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.